Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Edward Adventure Blogs. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to a hidden paradise in the heart of Bukidnon, Mindanao. Get ready to be amazed by the breathtaking beauty of lovers Lane Impasug-ong. We'll explore the breathtaking natural beauty of Impasug-ong, Bukidnon. From lush greenery to stunning mountain views and serene valleys, there's something for everyone. So, grab your camera and let's dive into the adventure. Before we dive deeper into our Lover's Lane adventure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and click the notification bell to stay updated on my future travel vlogs. Now, let's get back to exploring the beauty of Lover's Lane. Lover's Lane Impasug-ong is a picturesque haven nestled in the heart of Bukidnon, Mindanao. This serene location offers breathtaking views of lush greenery, rolling hills, and stunning sunsets. It's the perfect escape for couples, families, and nature enthusiasts seeking tranquility and natural beauty. Why visit Lover's Lane? Picturesque scenery, romantic ambience, the serene atmosphere and stunning views make Lover's Lane an ideal spot for couples to spend quality time together. Outdoor activities, enjoy a variety of outdoor activities such as hiking, swimming, picnicking, and camping. Photography opportunities, capture stunning photos and videos of the breathtaking scenery. Best time to visit, the dry season, from November to May, is the best time to visit. Getting there. To reach Lover's Lane Impasug-ong, you can. By car, drive from Cagayan de Oro City to Impasug-ong, Bukidnon. By public transportation, take a bus or van from Cagayan de Oro City to Impasug-ong. From there, you can hire a tricycle or habal-habal to reach Lover's Lane. Unwind and recharge. Lover's Lane Impasug-ong is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. So, pack your bags and embark on a journey to this serene paradise. It's a great place to relax and unwind. You can stop by for a coffee break during a road trip or have a picnic lunch. There's nothing quite like enjoying a meal with such a stunning view of the valley. We're on our way to Davao City, but we couldn't miss the chance to stop here. I've seen pictures of this place online, but experiencing it firsthand is truly amazing. Check out this bird's eye view of Lover's Lane.